Hi dear Aries, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Please keep in mind that this is journal and it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 30th of September till the 6th of October 2024, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now, right? And it's super effective. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening, Aries. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the King of Swords. So someone is giving you a very hard time here. Someone is very cold and often detached, and might be they're not talking to you in a very emotional way or in a very heart to heart kind of a way. So there is some kind of detachment kind of energy, closed off kind of energy, or rude kind of energy from this person's side towards you, or they might be feeling like you are giving them that kind of energies. Let me clarify the King of Swords here. We have the High Priestess, the Wheel of Fortune, the Queen of Wands, right? So this person is feeling like there's lack of attraction between you guys, or you have found somebody else behind behind their back, and that is why you're not interested in them anymore. Now this person is feeling like slowly but surely you're moving on from them. So slowly but surely you are not interested in them anymore, and you are moving ahead towards something better or someone better. It's like they can see the glow up on you in your energies. They can see that you are no longer interested in them as you used to be, and they are suspicious that there might be something that you're hiding from them, and you might be moving on towards someone else, leaving them behind, because again they feel like there's lack of participation from your side. There's lack of communication. There's lack of that kind of emotional energy exchange as it used to be at some point of time. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? Hierophant. So from your side right now, you're very much focused on something that is going to go long term. Either you are interested in something long term, something committed, something like stable on the table, or right now you're very much focused on your spiritual growth and spiritual energies. Let me clarify the Hierophant. For some of you, you are very much interested in going towards a spiritual realm, spiritual growth kind of thing. Okay, you might be dealing with the Taurus or Pisces here. We got two signs as of now in major arcana. Not mandatory, but might be. Yeah, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Now the Eight of Pentacles and the Seven of Pentacles and the King of Wands. Wow, it's like it's this person is not like 100% wrong here. It's like you are putting in the effort and energy in something or someone, and you're waiting for the results here. Okay, at the same time you are working on something related to some kind of spiritual realm or higher self kind of a deal. It's like you're connecting with your higher self as much as you can from your side, putting in the effort and energy in a direction and waiting for the results. Now for some of you, you are putting in the effort and energy in a new connection or a new person. For others of you, you are manifesting a brand new life for yourself, including a brand new person that is going to match with your vibes and your energies. That kind of energy. So there's a completion of a cycle from your side. Maybe you're ending a chapter with somebody and moving to the next chapter, or say, for some of you, even if you're not ending the chapter with somebody, you're definitely manifesting a brand new life for yourself. Okay, now let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Aries? We have the Ace of Cups in reverse. Now this person's intentions are telling me that they don't want to open up to you. This person wants to remain like a closed book to you. It's like they're getting this kind of off and close of vibes from you, so they want to give you the same kind of energy, same kind of vibes. Like, okay, if Aries is not interested, let me show them that I am not interested also. Okay, let me clarify the Ace of Cups in reverse. It's like the energy of a little bit of revengeful. Yeah, see, this person is patiently waiting for the time when you are going to reveal the whole truth to them. So until unless the whole truth is going to be in front of them, they don't want to open up to you. They want to remain as a closed book, and they want to patiently wait for the time when everything is going to be crystal clear between you guys. Now, whether it's their suspicion or whether it's the truth, but this person is definitely having this vibe and energy from you that you're having somebody else in your life and that you are no longer interested in them anymore, or at least your interest in them is slightly different from what it was before, right? So yeah, they don't want to emotionally open up to you until unless they're 100% sure that you are still interested in them and you are the only person you they are the only person that you're dealing with. Yeah, let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Aries? Page of Pentacles. So from your side, you just want to keep things really very very casual or on a friendship kind of a level only. I don't think you want to put in the effort and energy to make something to this level of commitment and or marriage kind of a deal. You just want to remain friends with somebody, or you just want to keep someone at a distance. Okay, let me clarify the Page of Pentacles. So definitely there's something new or someone new that you're entertaining in your life, because you are leaving something or someone behind. It's like because of the drama, the chaos that you encountered in the situation before with this particular person, you are moving ahead towards someone better, something better. I am saying someone better or something better because it might be a job or career opportunity that you're getting, and that is going to make you realize that you are no longer interested in relationship area or relationship with a particular person, right? So that's why you just want to keep this person at a distance from you, and you just want to stay in touch with them, but as a friend only, from a distance. This is your energies. You don't want to be in this situation because it keeps on giving disappointment over disappointments, and you're no longer interested in those kind of energies. Okay, let's see what's coming towards you till the 6th of October. What could be the possible outcome of the situation? Two of Wands. So I do see things being put on hold deliberately. It's not like it's a conscious effort of putting things on hold. Okay, it's not like somebody's doing it with you. You are doing it deliberately with somebody. It's like, yeah, Two of Wands, waiting and watching, putting things on hold. Let me clarify the Two of Wands here, Aries. We have the Emperor, the Six of Pentacles, the King of Swords. Yes, it's like a conscious decision of keeping something or someone at a distance from yourself because you want to balance your own life first. You want to get your own shit together, and then you want to move forward in a direction with or without this particular person. It's like you got the clarity. It's not like overnight you got some kind of clarity about a situation. It took you a lot of time and energy and effort to come to this point of understanding what you really want in your love and relationship area, and now you're standing your ground, and now you're in this energy of balancing your own energies and letting go of everything and everyone that's not aligning with your energies and anymore, including this particular person. Yeah, so this is the outcome here for you guys. This is your card only, Aries. So it could be like you could be dealing with an Aries or Sagittarius or Pisces or Taurus, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Not mandatory, I just told you the major arcana signs. Yeah, now let's see the guidance for you guys closing this reading, Aries. So the outcome is kind of screaming at me that Aries is doing the right thing by doing all this, but don't be so rude or cold and often detached from this person. I think you should talk to them openly and honestly with a calm and composite energy, because it's kind of hurting them on a very deep level. So you don't know what you're doing. Might be you're ghosting them without without giving them any kind of reason. Yeah, see, this is what I have for you as an advice also. You have every right to detach and let go of people and situations that's not aligning with your energies anymore, but don't pretend that everything is okay if it is not okay. Okay, and don't get out of a situation like you did something wrong, or don't sneak away from from a situation without any kind of communication, without giving any kind of proper clearance to the other person, closure to the other person. Here it's very very important for you to communicate with the other energy here if you are the one detaching and letting go. If the other person is doing it with you, and if you're a cross watcher, please don't do that. Yeah, it's hurting the energy of this person here. And if the other energy is doing that and they are not willing to communicate with you, it's high time for you to understand that you have to take your power back from this particular person and situation and get your own closure and move ahead. Okay, honey. So I hope you got the clarity and the answers that you're seeking for. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.